art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Pikachu. All right, so for Pikachu, he's got this big old head that's gonna start with a line, and then it's gonna have two great big lines coming out that are a little curved. Gonna come back down like that. We've got some blackness on the tips, and then they're gonna come down, like that. And we got these great big Pikachu eyes, like so, and then we've got white in the inside, and then these are black. And then we've got a little nose, and we've got the mouth, which is two curved lines, and then the mouth comes down, back up, and we've got two little cheeks there, and we've got a little shady spot there for his chin. Then we've got the arm, which is a curvy line, comes across, another curvy line, and then we've got the arm here that's waving, hello, some little ziggy zaggies on the end of it, and it comes back in like that. Then we've got the body that comes down and around. We've got the little tail that's a little zigzag. Here's the rest of the tail. And then the tail comes out, up, back down. All right, and then we've got his little feet, like so. Little like there, little zigzags. That's what a zigzag sounds like. Then this line comes up, over. We've got another foot here. And this one's kind of more round on the end with some little lines. And then we've got the little knee, like so. And then inside the mouth, there's kind of a little line here. So this is the tongue, this is real dark back here. And I think that's it, we got it. So let's put him sitting on the ground. So this is the ground, this is the ball or sky or whatever. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.